owners for coming out. And to members of the public who are beginning to filter in, thank you for coming out and showing your support. Registered owners, if you have a car in the show this year at 9:15, so in about 10 minutes, we are going to have an owners meeting here at the main stage. So you're going to want to make your way up here for the owners meeting at 9:15. I want to once again thank you for your support of the show.
I'm going to go get some tickets and I'll be back.
Also, we want to take a moment to acknowledge our many sponsors without whom this show would not be possible. Somewhere around this time. So first and foremost, we want to thank the automakers who year in and year out come out to support JCCS and show off treasures from their heritage collections. We want to say thank you to Toyota Motor Sales USA and also Toyota USA. Fascinating cars for you to check out, including what might be the nicest So, American Honda Corporation is here. Thank you, American Honda. Also, Nissan North America is here with some really exciting stuff to show you today, which getting into a bit later. We want to also say thank you to Yokohama Tire, Wires, USA, Norris Honda, King Toyota Long Beach, University Nissan, Clarion USA, Haggard Collectible Insurance, Unice USA. We have another item from Clarion.
Didn't know that.
Yes, that Mona sponsor recall, but have
A Clarion, a surprise mystery poster. What? Oh, it's an NSX poster. Oh, okay. Now this is cool.
That's why.
This is a Clarion Builds Acura NSX poster in this tube. What does it look like? We'll find out in a minute. And also, uniqueandcollect.com t-shirt lanyard and window stickers. So that is going to registered owner ticket 431665. Again, that's 431665. An orange ticket. On that ticket, numbers are printed. And the numbers we're looking for are 431665.
You should even get something.
All right, last call on this one for the Clarion Builds Acura NSX poster, 431665.